These butterflies are beautiful and inexpensive decorations. They're easy to make. All you need is pipe cleaners and tissue paper. So let me show you how. For this project, you'll need 3 colors of tissue paper, a pencil, scissors, pipe cleaner, fingernail clippers, and paper or a note card to make a pattern. Start by drawing a pattern for your butterfly wing. I'm going to make a curved shape here, but you can do whatever shape you would like. We're going to do 3 different sizes of the wings with different colors of tissue paper. This pattern will be the smallest size. Cut out the pattern. Fold a double layer of tissue in half. We'll be making 2 of each color. Trace around the pattern with the edge on the fold. Then cut around the pattern, leaving the fold intact. Fold a double layer of the next color in half. Place the pattern so it's 1/4 to a 1/2 inch away from the fold, and then draw around the pattern, keeping that same margin so that this layer will be bigger. I like to go about 1/4 inch bigger. Cut this one out as well. Now do the same thing with the last color, making an even wider margin with your pattern so that you have the largest layer of the butterfly wings. Keep the margin consistent throughout the tracing of the pattern. Layer the wings from biggest to smallest, making sure everything is centered. Fold a pipe cleaner in half. Set it aside, and then holding the wings together, keeping them centered, scrunch them up just slightly, making a few little fan folds here and there. Place the wings inside of the pipe cleaner so that it's perfectly centered. Twist the ends of the pipe cleaner together at the very top of the wings. Clip off the ends of the pipe cleaners if they're a little bit too long with the fingernail clippers. Coil down the very ends of the pipe cleaners to make antennae. Now very gently separate the layers of tissue and fluff them out. You can crinkle them up in places to give them more texture. And you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more craft ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.